Hello and welcome. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Java installed. So some PCs might have Java already installed. So to check if you have installed Java installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Java or type in command prompt cmd.exe. C uses your name java-version. So if Java is installed, you will see something like Java version 11.0.1, Java TM-SC runtime environment 18.9, Java hotspot TM 64-bit server. If you do not have Java installed on your computer, you can download it for free at oracle.com. So first we will write Java code in a text editor. However, it is possible to write Java in an integrated development environment such as IntelliJ, IDEA, NetBeans or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Java files. So setup for Windows. So to install Java on Windows, go to System Properties. Can be found on Control Panel, System and Security, System, Advanced System Settings. Then click on the Environment Variables button under the Advanced tab. Then select the path variable in System Variables and click on the Edit button. Click on the New button and add the path where Java is installed, followed by /bin. By default, Java is installed in C program files Java JDK 11.0.1. if nothing else was specified when you installed it. In that case, you will have to add a new path with C program files Java JDK 11.0.1 /bin and then click OK and save the settings. At last, open command prompt cmd.exe and type Java version to see if Java is running on your machine. So Control Panel, System and Security, System, then Advanced System Settings, System Properties, Advanced, then Environment Variables, and in Environment Variable path C program files, then click on Edit, then step 4 Edit Environment Variable C program files Java JDK 11.0.1 /bin, click OK. Then step 5 write the command in the command line C uses your name Java version. And if Java was successfully installed, you will see something like Java version 11.0.1 2018, Java TM-SC runtime environment 18.9 and Java hotspot TM 64-bit server. So in Java, every application begins with a class name and that class must match the file name. So let us create our first Java file called main.java, which can be done in any text editor like Notepad. The file should contain a hello world message which is written in the following code: public class main, public static void main string args, system.out.println hello world. So if you don't understand the code above, we will discuss the detail in later chapters, and now focus on how to run the code. So save the code in Notepad as main.java, open command prompt cmd.exe and navigate to the directory where you saved your file and type javac main.java. C uses your name javac main.java, and this will compile your code. If there are no errors in the code, the command prompt will take you to the next line. Now type java main to run the file. C uses your name java main, and the output should read hello world. So with this we have written and executed your first Java program. So this was a brief discussion on Java, and we'll be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. Thank you. If you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.